Hi friends, all of you welcome to this learning support program, especially designed for students to enhance the writing skills. Presented by Mrs. Godambe Shailaja from HSCP High School, Huzurpaga Lakshmi Road, Pune 30. Today we will discuss the techniques of summary writing. See the picture, you will get the clear idea of summary. मराठीमध्ये तुम्ही सारांश लेखन केलेले आहे. सारांश याचा अर्थ काय होतो तर अंश स्वरूपात मांडलेलं सार. सो द मीनिंग ऑफ समरी इज short description of the main ideas or points. Let's understand the importance of summary writing. Summary writing is not only important in the view of examination, but also it is useful in your day-to-day life or while studying. It is an important skill. It improves reading skill and critical thinking skill, improves writing and editing skill, helps students to pick out the main ideas and keywords, enhances vocabulary and accurate use of grammar. Let's discuss the qualities of an ideal summary. Here you can see a very beautiful and clear image of a flower. We have to write the summary as beautiful and as clear as this picture. The first point or the first quality of an ideal summary is clarity. That means the idea or topic should be cleared. Second point, brevity. It means shortness. Summary should be to the point. And the third and the most important point is objectivity. That is related to the main idea or topic. You have to focus on the main idea, topic, or stick to the given subject. Now, let's understand the steps to write summary. Friends, every writing skill has some techniques or steps. If we understand those techniques, it will be beneficial for everyone to develop their writing skills. So the first and the most important part, before writing summary, read again and again the given passage carefully. Focus on main ideas and keywords. You can underline the keywords while reading. Follow the order of the text. Remember friends, you have to write summary as per the sequence given in the topic or in the passage. Arrange sentences in your own words and keep it short. Avoid repetition of words and sentences. By using these steps, you can develop your skill of summary writing. Remember, a summary should include everything someone will need to understand the work without reading the entire piece. जेव्हा तुम्ही एखादा सिनेमा बघता, तुम्हाला तो आवडतो. सगळ्यांनीच तानाजी सिनेमा पाहिला असेल आणि जेव्हा आपण या सिनेमाची स्टोरी किंवा कथानक सिनेमा न पाहिलेल्या आपल्या एखाद्या मित्रमैत्रिणीला सांगतो तेव्हा आपण त्याची स्टोरी थोडक्यात, मोजक्या शब्दात आणि आपल्या भाषेत मांडण्याचा प्रयत्न करत असतो. त्यालाच सारांश असं म्हणतात. लेट्स अंडरस्टँड द डिस्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ मार्क्स फॉर समरी रायटिंग. परीक्षेसाठी हा प्रश्न 5 मार्काचा आहे. परीक्षेच्या दृष्टिकोनातून आपण मार्कांचं बायफर्गेशन समजावून घेऊया. याच्यासाठी 1 मार्क इज रिझर्व फॉर अ टायटल, 2 मार्क्स फॉर द सेंट्रल आयडिया और थीम, and 2 marks are reserved for use of appropriate language. So use very simple language, use short and accurate sentences. Now we will going to see a example how to write a summary. Read the following paragraph carefully and write summary. Give a suitable title. I am going to read this paragraph. Listen it carefully. Time is money is a proverb which means that we should not waste our time and respect it more than money. Time is that invisible thing which can change a person's life entirely. A person who respects the value of time can get the desired success. Time is precious and priceless. To manage time in our life, we should do all our work on proper time. We should set a timetable for our daily routine work. If we manage our work without wasting too much time, then we can easily find the positive results in our life very soon. Time is that unstoppable thing which just runs and can never wait and comes back for anyone. Time neither can be purchased nor can be stopped. It is truly said by someone that time and tide waits for none, which means time doesn't wait for anyone. Nothing is more powerful or precious than time. Intelligent people are those who manage and live according to the time. Past time never comes back for anyone. Remember the principle of time. Use it or lose it. So it is our duty to make the best use of time and go ahead. Please read this passage again. Underline the main words and note down the main points. Let's see the main point. Time is money. Should not waste our time. Respect it. Invisible thing, precious and priceless, unstoppable, neither can be purchased nor can be stored, powerful, principle of time. परिच्छेद वाचल्यानंतर त्याच्यातले जे मुख्य मुद्दे आहेत ते आपण लिहून काढायचे. ते ओळींनी लिहा आणि याच ओळींनी या शब्दांचा वाक्यात उपयोग करून तुम्हाला समरी लिहायची आहे. इथे मी तुम्हाला याच परिच्छेदाची समरी उदाहरणादाखल दिलेली आहे. हेडिंग टाइम इज मनी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव्ह द हेडिंग. 1 mark is reserved for that heading. Time is the most precious and powerful invisible thing. It is unstoppable and we can't get it back. We cannot purchase or store it. We should make positive use of every moment. Follow the principle of time. Use it or lose it for successful life. we have to write summary only in 5 to 6 sentences. Don't write more than that. Take care of the brevity. That means you should write summary in short. Thank you.